Rather exciting news regarding the warehouse project in White Township on Route 519 in Warren County. And joining me now here at the RNJ Morning Program with some additional information from the meeting last night and where things are going from here. Great to welcome back to the program this morning the Executive Director of the New Jersey Highlands Coalition, Julia Summers, back with us today. Hi, Julia. Good morning. It's Bert. How are you?
Good morning. We're very well.
Excellent. Really exciting news to share today.
Certainly. This is news we're very happy to share. We got to the White Township Planning Board meeting yesterday evening, and when the board got its regular business out of the way and introduced the real business of the evening, the applicant's attorney came to the table and introduced the Deputy Director of the State's Agricultural Development Board. Together, they shared the information that the state will be purchasing the Jandal property. What it means is there will be no warehouses on the Jandal property.
Wow, that's really great news, because my question was going to be on a 1 to 10 scale, with 10 being the best possible outcome. This sounds like you guys might have had an 11 last night. You might have had a walk-off grand slam. Is that on par with this, Julie, as far as how positive and good this news is this morning?
We could not improve on it. It is beyond exciting. We couldn't have done it without you. Deeply grateful for your interest in this issue. It made a huge difference.